Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Legal Alien Racing. This is the very first race of the 2020 season. I'm in the heavies class. As you can see, there's nobody in front of me, so that means I qualified first. And so we're bringing them down nice and slow. And we got a little special treat this year. I got a Senna mic system, so I'm gonna have Justin in my ear, and you should be able to hear him talking to me as well.
Who?
Yeah, there you go. Say hi, Justin.
Hi.
He's standing. He's starting right behind me. His GoPro had some issues, so he's not on. I'm bringing him down. The pace is up to me.
I see you.
Thank you, Justin.
You're welcome, sir.
I got a good start.
Go for second.
Yeah. All right, I got to give him the spot here.
Keep him on the end. Oh, yeah.
Don't get pushed out too much.
I'm pushing you, dude.
Thank you. I'm going to go middle. Flat out. I'm gonna lift a little bit in 7 here. Make sure we get through nice and good. Okay, perfect.
It feels really good.
Yeah.
Feels a lot better than quali. Your cart's slow, dude.
Yeah, it is.
Pretty soon I'm just gonna fuck you up.
Check up, check up.
Okay, on you.
Hey, if you gotta go around me, go, man.
Yeah, I got a faster cart, dude.
Yeah, hit me on the straight.
Oh, I just got passed. Cart 26 just got me.
Go inside a little bit here. Yeah, stay in the middle there on 16.
Yeah, cart 26 went slow as hell.
Dude, my car's
oh
slow,
my
dude.
god, dude. Look at his cart.
Yeah.
You don't stand a chance.
Nope.
Hey, team orders, pull over, dude.
He's sliding around though.
I followed you through that.
Yeah.
I didn't go as wide, but
It's gonna be tough to beat him on the straight, but
dude, I am flying on you. Yeah, like I want to pass you so bad.
well, pass me, dude.
But you're running my lines, bro. I'm just kidding, dude. You're running really good lines.
Yeah. All right, here they go, battling. Check up, check up. See? See? Told you.
Come on, bro. Nice.
Don't be in there, dude. What the fuck you doing? It's a bad spot to be, man.
I know. I just want to get around you.
We get around me on the straight.
Oh shit! No, I went outside on that.
Well, 26 is out of it. They'll probably come back.
Probably with how fast that thing's going.
Yeah, I think flies.
Hey, Oscar. You got the line. That's me being nice.
Dude, line up. Don't try to pass me. Pass me on the straightaway, because you're gonna slow us up.
All right.
You got about a 3-cart gap behind you, so line up. Oh, my fucking cart's sputtering, dude. I think the son of a bitch's out of gas.
Oh, somebody's way out there. No, he's fine. He's good.
Watch 13. Check up on 13. Go smooth.
Okay.
We can keep up with these guys.
Oh yeah.
Oh, stay inside.
Oh.
Damn it! But you're gonna get me. You want to go in? You want me to go inside or outside?
I'm not gonna get you. I didn't get a good run there.
Okay.
I mean, I might get you. No, I'm catching you pretty quick.
I'm gonna go back outside, my move.
I could get you, but it'd be dirty.
Come on, get the fuck out of the way.
Get around 22, get around 22.
Get the fuck out of the way, dude.
He's not as fast as you. Get that guy out of here. He needs to get the fuck out of the way.
Luckily he went wide. 22, if you're watching this video, we apologize. Nothing against you, bro. You can go flat out through there, Justin.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
I tapped the brake for a second.
No, you're good. Just make sure you set the cart up. I think you got a guy on you.
I can get you right. I'm getting you right here. Sorry.
All right, you got it, man.
Team orders, pull over, bro.
Yeah. Wait till the fucking final, asshole.
Hopefully you get a better cart, man.
Yeah, this cart.
Oh shit.
Oh shit! I almost hit it too. There you go. Good line. There you go. Hit that curb. Atta boy.
I'm tucking, dude.
Yeah, you're booked, dude.
Halfway.
I ain't gonna be able to hold this guy off for 4th place. There's no way.
Hold him off as long as you can, so I got a shot.
It's pretty cool being able to talk to each other.
It's really cool that we're right beside each other on the track.
Yeah,
this worked out great.
Yeah.
Are you going flat through 5 and 6?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, you can now, yeah.
Yeah. Same thing, 7 and 8. Just be careful. This fucking cart's sputtering, man.
Oh yeah, you can totally go flat out.
This car sputters going into 5 and 6.
I hate that. That's when you know you're missing some top end. What I just did didn't feel fast, but
it's Chris Hampton. Ah, you got me.
How close are they to me?
You got a ways, dude. You're good. Focus on your guy. Chris Hampton's behind you in the 1 cart.
That's a good cart.
Yeah, it's a really good cart, but he's having a little trouble steering right now. He'll figure it out.
I'm catching number 13, dude.
I just nailed Chris. I thought I was gonna hit him in the wall. Whoops. Yeah, you're catching him, dude. Get your win, bro. Get that win.
I'm going for it, dude. I'm going for it.
You got probably 3 laps left, maybe 2. Be patient. Be patient.
I'm gonna scare him into a mistake.
Yeah. There you go.
Making it.
There you go.
Making it. Oh.
Are you inside of him? No, you're outside?
Yeah. I'm trying to catch him. I don't really have anything on him in the straight. He's got to mess up again.
Get him in 10, dude. Settle down, let him make a mistake in 10.
Okay, you're right. Stay on his ass. Should I give him a bump?
No. Don't give him a bump. Get off him a little bit.
Okay.
Check up and then go.
I'm going. Catching him, Oscar. Oh, I was gonna pass him like you. I don't have the speed. He fucked up right there. Got him.
Good job, brother.
He's on my ass.
That's all right. Take your lines. Don't. You're good, man.
Leading the race, boys.
Well, how does it feel?
2 to go. It feels really good.
That's great. I gotta baby this motherfucker home.
Hey,
to 4th.
Let me know when he's getting on my ass, okay?
Oh, you're good, man. You got about 3 cart lengths.
Oh, nice. I'm not looking back. I'm just focused on the future.
Yep. Yeah, you're good, dude.
I think I'm a little faster than him, so.
Chris isn't going to catch 2nd place.
Nice.
Be careful.
I went in a little hot.
Hey, the inside of 10's really grippy.
Okay. What kind of space do I have, bruh?
Hold on, dude. My cart's sputtering pretty bad. You're good, man. You got the win.
Last lap, last lap. Oh yes, I'm so excited.
Dude, I don't know if my car's gonna make it.
Oh no, are you sputtering like out of gas?
It's like it's not getting gas or something. It's okay on the straightaway, just certain parts it messes up. I think I can maybe at home in fourth. Man, it's a great, looks like a great battle for like 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th.
Where are you at now?
Dude.
Where are you at
5
now?
and 6. Entering 5 and 6 now.
What position?
4th.
Nice.
Yeah.
You're honest with what you got, you know?
Yeah. I
Car
got it.
clearly sucks.
Yeah. It's alright.
Oh, there we go. There we go. I just took that line just like a VLR.
There
Right
we go.
on the inside.
Yeah, dude, it gets grip.
Yep. I'm about to win my first race, bruh.
Alright, dude.
I say that and I spin right here.
Don't spin right there, dude.
Oh my gosh, yes! Yes!
Oh, I thought you spun.
No. I'm excited. Yeah!
And you don't have a GoPro.
Oh yeah, man! I should have a GoPro!
Congrats, dude. 4th place. Hey, check up. Let me get next to you.